Did you just shit yourself? Did you just shit yourself?
Maybe.
You fucking gay ass motherfucker. So this video just getting so fucking well today.
Give me a fucking earbud.
You could get a fucking dick, you cocksucker.
Give me a fucking earbud, man.
No music's being turned on. It
Can
just
I
feels.
talk? God damn.
You can fucking talk. Here you go.
They can't hear me, Dylan.
You can. You see, that's what talk.
Hello, brothers. We're in
Okay.
Kentucky, live. Live action.
Not live.
But today, I think Christopher Osborne is finally coming out of the closet of being a serial killer / butt rapist.
So watch out, you little kids. He's
Yeah.
coming for you.
Yeah.
And
Shaston, come here. Shaston, Josh.
His name's
Gavin.
Pedro.
Shaston, come here. You're in Dylan's YouTube video. Come on.
His name's Pedro.
Shaston, get the fuck over here.
Okay, Pedro. Do you have any words for the little kids out there?
Who is that,
This is
bro?
a YouTube video.
What are you going to say to all those little kids out there?
Look how big his hand is compared to mine.
You heard it from himself. He's
Yeah,
Pedro
just-
Bear. He's coming for your
right here.
buttholes.
Compare your hand to mine.
You make big YouTube video? How many subs you got? Son?
Compare your fucking...
Not that many. Can't see now.
Cause it's kind of like you got a shit content going. Okay, Dylan, sorry. Dylan, stop.
Snap your goddamn legs, you little bitch. Better than you. I'm going to whip you like my ancestors did to the black people.
Oh, this is... Oh, Dylan, dude, you're on a fucking live stream here, dude.
This ain't fucking live. Still fuck these things live.
Oh, man, goddamn. Dylan, punch through this right here.
Okay. I ain't going to punch through it because I'm
Try.
going to get
Try
drunk.
to do it.
Yeah, my computer just started messing up a little bit and I hit it. What?
Wow.
Okay, that's it.
Did